Look at all these fucking birds. And they just keep getting reinforcements. Yeah, look, there they come. We need reinforcements. We're coming, General. Come on, do. Birds. Holy crap. Oh man, this is like the battle of 5 armies. And we're coming. We're coming to kill. Oh god. Save the wee turtles. Man. There's more and more birds. So this is where I camped last night. And I used to be like, we're probably about 20 feet into the water. And the water kind of crept up on us. And now I'm right here. Possibly the only spot I could have pitched my tent. I did a good job. In the middle of the night, I couldn't see anything. Holy crap. This is ridiculous.